Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 31st of January. And first of all, national news. BJP won Chandigarh mayor elections in first poll battle versus India bloc. Interim budget will be presented on February 1, 2024. Telepathy Vijay to launch political party soon, chosen as president. President Murmu, PM Modi paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on death anniversary. Moral compass of our nation, Congress paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. First scientific exercise found 718 snow leopards in India, highest in Ladakh. Neighbors need each other, S. Jaishankar on Maldives India Out campaign. China will influence our neighbors. We should not be scared, S. Jaishankar. Adani Total Gas reports 18% rise in quarter 3 profit boosted by CNG sales. Want allow citizen register NRC implementation in Bengal, Mamta Banerjee. Need two-state solution to resolve Israel-Palestine issue, S. Jaishankar. IMF raised 2024 global forecast. India continues to remain in bright spot. Sikkim climber Manita Pradhan conquered South America's highest peak. All parliament suspensions to be revoked ahead of budget session on 31st January. Now some international news. Ex-Pak PM Imran Khan got 10-year jail for exposing official secrets. Artificial intelligence officer, this is hot new job that pays over $1 million. Elon Musk Neuralink Corp has performed its first brain implant on a human. Italy accused ChatGPT creator of breaching EU's data protection law. Toyota apologized for scandals as vehicle sales set new global record. US started 5-week H-1B visas renewal drive to accept 20,000 applications. IMF raised 2024 global forecast. India continues to remain in bright spot. Now, news related to business. India on track to export record low diesel to Europe in January as Red Sea risk drive up freight cost. US includes 6 Indian markets in notorious markets list. Saudi Arabia's oil giant Aramco said it will not increase maximum daily production on state orders. EPFO survey seek details on facilities available for women working in establishments across country. News related to sports. BCCI to announce India's squad for remaining 3 tests versus England. Mayank Agarwal suffered major health scare, admitted to ICU in Agartala. Jishan Ali became India's Davis Cup captain in absence of Rohit Rajpal. News related to science. Chinese scientists seek to redefine second with new ultra-precise clock. The Earth is rotating on its axis at a speed of 400 meters per second. And that's all in news. Thank you.